sufficient this day and age to read any good news on the newspaper.
Hey guys, Brian here with another educational tip of the day. The next method that we're going to talk about is differentiated instruction. It is a methodology when you're in a lot of large public classrooms utilize it. It's when you have a diverse group of kids that have various levels of comprehension of certain subject matters. So let's take spelling, for instance. Some kids are great spellers. I am not. I'm a great spell checker with the computer, but other than that, I can't spell to save my life. So someone that would be excelling at spelling would maybe get a different test with more difficult words to keep their interest and learning style continue to grow, as someone like myself would be given basic cat and bat words to go ahead and learn how to spell. Another thing that you can do is reading styles. Some kids are very good readers. Others, it takes a little while to read the words, but then also to comprehend the words. So you can get a variance in regards to levels, in regards to your classroom, where every student's at on those differential subject matters. So take that into consideration as your kids as well. Sometimes your strengths aren't necessarily going to be your kids' strengths, and find that middle ground of to keep them challenged, but then also not to make it too challenging where they dissatisfied and become frustrated and just basically want to shut it off. So hope that helps out, and keep on learning and keep on trying new techniques. And this one is your educational tip of the day.